Okay, the next topic is circle. Circle basically a curved figure, a simple closed curved figure. From this, all the points are equidistant from the one center point, that is called center of the circle. So from this, all the points are equidistant. Like if we make any points, they will give the same distance, that is called the circle. And this distance from the boundary of the circle and from its center is called radius of the circle. Radius of the circle. This distance is called radius, that is denoted by small r. Okay, radius of the circle. Next part is chord. So if we meet 2 points of the circle or the boundary of the circle, then it is called a chord. That is called chord. So meeting of any 2 points on the circle is called a chord. Okay, that is chord. Next part is the longest chord that passes through the circle center. The longest chord passes through the circle center, like A and B. It is called the diameter of the circle. So the longest chord that passes through the center of the circle is called a diameter. Okay. Part is secant. Secant is the line that passes through the circle, like this. This is called secant of a circle that passes through the circle, that is called secant of a circle. Okay, that is called secant. Next is arc. Any part of the circle, like this part, we have taken this part, is called arc, AB. So this is called the arc of the circle. Okay, this is called the arc of the circle. So the diameter divides the circle into 2 equal parts, and each part is called semicircle. Semicircle means this part is exactly half of the circle and this part is again exactly half of the circle. So this and this part is called semicircles of the circle. Okay. Next, this is the longest chord, but chord is also dividing the circle into 2 equal parts. Like we have made this chord AB. This is also divide the circle into 2 parts. So this is the bigger part is called major segment, and this is called minor segment. Okay, so the bigger part is called major segment and the smaller part is called minor segment. Okay, next is sector. Sector of the circle. Like this is a circle, and we have cut the circle like this in the triangular way, in the form of arc. So this part of the circle is called the sector of the circle, like AB, A, B, C. So we can say A, B, X, C is called the sector of the circle. Okay, this is called sector of the circle. Next is, and the last is concentric circle. 2 or more circle having one center, having the same center, is called the concentric circle. Like that, this circle is having the same center and this is another circle which is also having the same center. So this 2 or more circles having same center is called the concentric circle. Okay, it is concentric circle. So that's it for this particular chapter, basic geometrical ideas. So we have completed the chapter number 10. Okay, thank you.